सभी को नमस्कार। मैं बलबीर कश्यप BOCom BRC राजौंद कैथल हरियाणा भारत एक नई जानकारी में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। साथियों, जैसा आप देख पा रहे हैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर, कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी कुरुक्षेत्र, ये जो वीडियो है ये केवल मात्र कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी कुरुक्षेत्र के द्वारा जारी किए गए नोटिफिकेशन के आधार पे है। अदर यूनिवर्सिटी से इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है। तो इसमें कुछ जानकारी है। क्या जानकारी है आपको शायद पता भी होगा, पब्लिक डोमेन में बात जा भी चुकी होगी कि यूनिवर्सिटी ने उन सभी कैंडिडेट को यानी या कह लीजिए कि स्टूडेंट को जो कि 1990-91 से लेके 2000 और 2001 सेशन, इसके साथ साथ 2001-2 से 2009-10 और 10-11 से ऑनवर्ड, उन सभी स्टूडेंट को एक मर्सी चांस दिया है जो किसी कारण से अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ चुके थे। उनकी रीअपीयर आई थी, इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहते थे वो, या वो कंपार्टमेंट उनकी थी किसी भी प्रकार के हो, चाहे वो यूजी कोर्स हो, चाहे पीजी कोर्स हो, चाहे सेमेस्टर हो, एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन हो, या जो है किसी भी प्रकार का क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो डिप्लोमा था, चाहे वो प्रोफेशनल था या सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज थे। तो फिर भी उसकी पूरी डिटेल में बात करते हैं। चलिए। It is already notified that on the recommendation of the committee, the Vice Chancellor under Section 11 Bracket 5 of the University Act and Statutes 1986, in anticipation of the approval of the Academic Council, has approved to grant a special mercy chance to the students only in the category of reappear, improvement, compartment of all UG PG courses, semester या एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन टू बी हेल्ड इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर जनवरी 2023-2024 एंड अप्रैल/मई 2024, इंक्लूडिंग प्रोफेशनल, डिप्लोमा एंड सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज वेयर एवर अप्लीकेबल, who have availed exhausted all the permissible chances, including 2 additional chances within prescribed period mentioned as under। ध्यान से सुनना, समझना। नंबर 1 पॉइंट है इसका, द स्टूडेंट एनरोल्ड ड्यूरिंग द एकेडमिक सेशन 1991 to 2001 are required to appear with an additional fees of Rs 30,000 plus usual examination fees and late fees, if any, as prescribed by the university from time to time for each examination. Point number 2, the student enrolled during the academic session 2001 and 2 to 2009 and 2010 are required to appear with an additional fees of Rs 25,000 plus usual examination fees and late fees, if any, as prescribed by the university from time to time for each examination. Point number 3, the student enrolled during the academic session 2010 and 11 onward with an additional fees of Rs 20,000 plus usual examination fees and late fees, if any, as prescribed by the university from time to time for each examination. Point number 4, the students are required to appear with the current syllabus scheme in force where the nomenclature of the subject scheme does not match with the current subject scheme. The students are required to appear with the old subject scheme. Point number 5, the mercy chance for improvement of the professional courses will be applicable in those courses which have been notified by the Deputy Registrar Academic wide endorsement number ACR 3rd/2013-21086 dated 11/11/2021. Point number 6, the schedule for receiving of examination form through online mode of special mercy chance for the examination to be held in May 2024 will be notified later on by the examination branch. Point number 7. The student of BA oblique MA one sitting are not covered under this special mercy chance. Clear it? BA oblique MA one sitting are not covered under this special mercy chance. Point number 8. In case of old student where syllabus is not available in the concerned branch, such candidate are not permitted to avail special mercy chance. Repeated. In case of old student where syllabus is not available in the concerned branch, such candidate are not permitted to avail special mercy chance. The examination for odd semester annual examination reappear improvement compartment will be held in December January 23-24 and even semester annual examination reappear compartment improvement where applicable in April or May 2024. The students desires to appearing in the above special mercy chance examination shall apply through the online mode up to 20 November 2023 and submit their online examination forms with an initial fees as visible on the examination portal to their respective last attended college, department, institution through the online examination portal. After checking the eligibility of the student, the balance fee, if any, shall be displayed in the student login as well as in the college login, which shall be paid by the respective college, department, institution only through the online examination portal to the university. After releasing the complete examination fee by the university, the admit card cum roll number shall be issued to the eligible student, which will be made available in the student as well as college login. Controller of examination second. तो ये एक ज़रूरी सूचना थी आपके लिए. होपफुली उन सभी बच्चों ने इसमें अप्लाई कर दिया होगा जो ये स्पेशल मर्सी चांस के अंदर में आते हैं. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करने, लाइक करने के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच.